Welcome to Middle Shed. Let's make some coffee. First of all, turn our coffee machine on by pressing this. Everything will already be set. We have it set at the gold setting here, but with this selection knob you can take it to a stronger brew if you like. The gold seems to work with the coffee that we use here. Simply need to fill the water hopper to how much coffee you would like. So we're going to go to 8 cups today. Lid back on. Take our hopper for the coffee. Here is where we grind it. We're going to fill with our beans. And once again, select how many cups, the same as over here, so we're 8, so with the button in the middle, take it up to 8. Make sure that this cup underneath is open and the hole is lined up with the spout, and then we play. Once it's finished, we have a hopper and we have the filter. It's as simple as dumping that into there. Sliding the hopper in, you'll hear it click. Turn our machine on. And we're on gold. Now it'll flash insert carafe, that's just to make sure it's lined up. Heating, and then we'll be away. You'll have a nice pot of coffee for your day ahead.